Hey guys, Big Schmuck here, and welcome back to some more Factorio. I hope you guys enjoyed the last episode because I did enjoy making it. And today probably won't be too long of an episode. It's basically just going to be a chore episode where I kind of cleaned up the base a little bit, upgrade some things here or there, add some stuff to the main bus and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this episode because I did enjoy making it, and let's get into it. Alright, so basically where we left off was this monstrosity of trying to automate a healthy amount of red circuits, which kind of did not work very well. So as you can see down here, we have a lot of space. This is where we are going to be putting in iron gear production and copper wire production, so we no longer have to really worry about any of that. So yeah, let's get into that real quick. Oh yeah, I also need to pre-build some stuff real quick, so I will be right with you guys in a second. Alright, so first order of business before I do really anything else is I really have been needing to get rid of this thing. I'll tell you guys what it is in a bit, but just right up here, this is my old steel production thing. I don't know why I've waited so long to not get rid of it, but I guess I've just been really lazy not to. But yeah, this is going to be the first thing we get done. Ooh, our research is also done. What will be nice? That takes blue science. We've almost plowed through military science or black or gray science or whatever you want to call it, so that'll be nice. But yeah, I really need to get rid of this because this has been a pain in my butt for a very long time. Alright, so as you guys can see, I actually need to place these down real quick just to dump my inventory. But as you can see, I finished clearing that all out. I actually had a good idea. I'm going to be putting the production of everything that I need to, I don't need to put that in there. But I'm going to be putting the production of every kind of, how do I put this? Like kind of the what am I trying to say here? Copper wire, iron gears, all that kind of stuff that we really don't need to be producing anywhere else. Why do I have so many stone oh yeah, because I just mined it out. But yeah, to start this off, I say, where's the main bus? The main bus is right there. Okay, that's good. I say we do, okay, so we have 22. I say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of each should be okay, hopefully. Yeah, 8 of each should be okay. If it's not, then we can just add some more on. The main problem is going to be down here. Trying to sort this entire mess out. It shouldn't be too hard, but it's just not fun. Alright, so apparently that wasn't exactly the task I thought it would be. This looks really complicated, but basically to sum it up, all of those belts, I'm just taking off that belt and that belt. It's really not that complicated. It's really simple. If you guys ever want to copy that, feel free. I'm not going to do anything. But I would say I need to get this hooked up also real quick. This side will be the iron, and the other side will be the copper, because I really have no reason for that. It just will be. Yeah, this video, by the way, guys, isn't exactly going to be the most fun. Like I said, it is an organizing video, so you guys are going to have to kind of stick with me here. Because I've been needing to organize the base for a very long time, but I've never really done it because I'm lazy as hell. I need to line this up also to get everything nice and flush with each other. Alright, so the easy part's done. Well, the non-boring part's done, but the boring part's going to be going here, where are gears? Gears are right here. I'm going to there. Getting that, so it'll produce that, putting that there. Oh, God, I tell you. But this is the first of other things that I want to do, so that's kind of a good check off the list, I guess. Now that we have these, we can have, like, a lot less stress. We might have to... Okay, yeah, we might as well just do that while we can. We're going to make a bunch of these and replace everything with them, because as you can see, this is not producing enough gears, and that's not a good. And we're producing more than we can put out, I think. Yeah, as you can see, we are. No, not just backlogging, but I want to be able to produce an entire full thing of them. I did plan for it. We'll just put 3 on each side. We'll just add a couple more. It won't hurt anything. Hopefully it won't, at least. But anyways, still good. We're going to be having those fast inserters to insert the materials faster and get them out faster. So that is also a nice bonus. Alright, there is that done. We are now producing... Oh my god, how much more copper wire does that produce? Holy shays. Alright, so... Oh, wow, this is gonna be a pain. How am I gonna add this on? Alright, so stuff's gonna get a little funky. I'm just gonna say that right now. Thankfully, we mined out a bunch of these. So basically, is this long enough? No, we need red ones for that. Let me see. Do these add an extra tile or anything? Alright, okay, so... Yeah, we need to make some more of those or else we're gonna be boned. Oh, do I need more iron? Yeah, I do. Okay. Get some more iron real quick so we can make that. Alright, so got some more real quick. Oh my god, you have no clue how happy I am that that can happen. Okay, put that there. Oh God, what am I doing? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, so that won't work. We're gonna have to go one more down. Oh, oh my God, I'm so happy. That's literally just long enough. That is amazing. I don't care what anybody else says. That is so relieving that's able to happen. Wow. Okay. I have hope now. I have hope that we will actually get some stuff done in this video. Alright, so to sum everything up, I ran out of yellow belts, so we're using red belts now, which I should have been doing from the get-go. Alright, so have you go like that, have you go like that, move you down here nicely. Put a little thing here and here. There we go, and we need one there too. There we go. Alright, it's coming along. It's coming along slowly, but sure. Oh God, not this. Okay, we need to make a couple of you, please and thank you. Alright, so I think, okay, so right there, we need to beeline it through that, beeline it through that, beeline it through that, beeline it through that. Just basically everything we're just going to be beelining it through. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well, not perfect, but you get it's close enough to perfect that I'm happy. Alright, so basically all we gotta do is plug these bad boys in, and we are safe and sound when it comes to this. Bam and bam. There we go. I am kind of mad that I know the belts are all messed up, and I am kind of sad about that, don't get me wrong, but am I sure the hell's happy we got that done. But I know this is kind of a crappy video, but that is going to be it for today. I had a long day at work, long day at school, all that kind of stuff, so I'm just kind of going to take this kind of easy. But we basically got just automating copper wiring and iron gears, so we no longer have to do stuff like this, pumping iron in to make the gears and stuff. We have this mean machine. So thank you all very, very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next episode. I hope you all have a fantastic day today, and thank you also again for watching, for taking the time out of your day to watch my content. You won't understand, but it means the world to me. So thank you very much. I'm talking to the person watching this video right now, that individual.